Hi. Last week, we explored how math opens the door to truth. And sometimes, truth can feel serious, heavy. But there's another side to it. Sometimes, truth is beautiful, something that draws us in, something we want to explore. And this week, we're going to see that side of math. Okay, I have 9 grandchildren, and one thing I love about them is not only are they the cutest kids around, but they are naturally curious. They remind me that learning does not always have to feel serious. So this week is an invitation to approach math with that same playful, childlike curiosity. This week, our focus is prime numbers. So let's begin with a simple why question. Why study the primes? It seems like most great ideas come from one of two places: need or curiosity. Some ideas solve problems. Yes, we need bridges, medicine, technology. But other ideas do not come from need at all. They come from curiosity, from wonder. No one needed the Mona Lisa, and yet people have spent centuries studying it, finding new depth, new meaning, new beauty. Prime numbers are like that. They were not invented, they were discovered thousands of years ago. Yep, and here we are today, still exploring them. Why? Let's imagine we did not know anything about primes. We're just playing with rocks, trying to arrange them into rows and columns. Something, I guess, interesting, or maybe fascinating, perhaps strange, happens. Some numbers form rectangles easily, but others refuse. 5 rocks, 7 rocks, 13 rocks. No matter how you arrange them, they will not form a perfect rectangle. Those are our prime numbers. This is what I call a low floor. Low meaning even a child can discover this just by playing. But here's the crazy cool part. Even though the idea is simple, we still do not fully understand the primes. Mathematicians have studied prime numbers for thousands of years. And yet, the more we find we know so little. That is the high ceiling. Easy to begin, impossible to finish. At first, primes feel like just a list. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. But over time, something moves or changes. It is less like looking at a list and more like stepping into a world. Like in Narnia from a C.S. Lewis novel. You open a door expecting something small and find something vast. The deeper you go, the more it feels like these numbers aren't just things we created, but something we've discovered. Something with its own structure, its own mystery. Prime numbers are not a solution to a problem. They are an invitation to explore, to notice, to wonder. So this week, let's try something a little different. As we move from the floor to the ceiling of prime numbers, let's look at math, not just for what it can do for us, but for what it is. Let's discover math that is interesting in itself. In doing so, we may experience a new side of what math truly is.